Hello everyone and welcome back to Painting with Martin. We're back with another unboxing video, a short one. This is Karak 2 Imperium, which adds another element to Karak 2, the board game published by Albi Games, and they were kind enough to give me this at Essen Spiel. So let's see what's in the box. I believe this one is also available both in English, French and German. So I'm going to use my little knife here. Let's see what's in the box here. I believe... Let's see here what's in this box. Alright, we'll open it up, put this one aside. Okay, we got some rules, we got some German and French rules. We'll throw those away because I don't really use those. We got some tiles, some new cities, I believe. Oh, nice, we got some nice characters. A guy riding on some kind of goat and a whale in the sky. That's interesting. And we also got some more characters, another wizard and a panther. It seems like the ranger is there as well. Got an upgrade from the first base game. Some nice city tiles. And of course we got more these resource tiles. We've got this one from the expansion set of Karak 1, which I painted. There's a painting video on this one for this guy, riding on some kind of prehistoric animal or rhino or something. So there's a built-in monsters on the tiles. That's actually really cool. And then looks like some kind of end game things, I believe, or some sort. Maybe not. Some more tiles, and of course a really nice and well-organized insert. We'll see here if we can open it up. Nice, and we'll see here. Here's some nice dice. More dice, one for every person, I believe. Some standees for the characters. We haven't got miniatures for them yet. And I think this game adds an element of PvP, which Karak 2 actually really missed. So I hope we can actually play PvP nowadays and get this game on the table as soon as possible. So let's see here if actually it fits. If we take a look at it. We can take it up inside here. We can open it again. We'll see here if we open these ones. I believe they fit perfectly. Let's see if the box is actually be able to seal the box as well. We'll see about that when it's all done. Karak 2 is a really nice game. My son, who is 7, loves the game. So let's see if we punch it out and see if it fits. Okay, well, so far so good. This one here, this one goes over here. Again, thank you so much to Albi Games for publishing this game, and of course for giving me this game during Essen Spiel. I'm sure I'm going to be playing this one and show you maybe how it's done. This is a crown here. We'll see if this one fits there. Yeah, it does. These resource tiles goes over there very handsomely. Maybe the resource tiles are supposed to be going in the bottom here, so we know that. So we'll put these aside. And of course we've I know. They're not supposed to go there. We're supposed to put them at the very bottom, I believe. Let's see if it fits. Oh, it does. Albi does a wonderful game designing in plastic inserts for board games. Let's see if these ones fit as well. It's supposed to fit quite well. It's going to be a thorough unboxing video. More. Oh, I missed these. These are actually new monsters. I haven't seen these ones in the base game before. Some kind of like new variants of these monsters. Really cool. You can add these over here. Well done to Albi again. And these standees can be put over here. And putting out these new tiles. Putting them on the floor. These ones goes over here. And okay, punching these ones out. Very easy, good quality, good sturdy cardboard. And we've got, perhaps put these ones on the top. And you know, nice, you can easily just take them out here. Then we'll put these ones on top as such, and these ones like these. And let's see if the lid actually, oh, there's another one here. Let's see if the lid actually closes. I hope it does. Goes like this. And let's see. The lid closes entirely. Completely well done. Plays 2 to 5 players from 10 and up. 45 minutes game time. Probably a little bit longer than that. Can take 45, but probably about an hour and 10 minutes. Good backside. Stand like this. This is Karak 2, guys, from Albi Games. Karak 2 Imperium. Please check it out. It's probably available in the stores right now. If you like Karak 2 and want a little bit more flavor. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you liked this video, please don't hesitate to like, share and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me a lot. Thanks a lot.